Snap Drone. Snap. Serious technology in a safe package. Cutting-edge camera. We spared no expense with Sony Exmor IMH 377.5.3 camera sensor in the best processor money can buy. Top quality video doesn't come cheap, but we think it's worth it. Smart battery. Our battery keeps track of exactly how much charge it has left and even learns over time, so it always knows exactly how much range you've got. Then we fuse this with GPS data to create what we call a dynamic geofence, basically a safety net, to make sure you can always make it back home. No one likes losing expensive toys. Smart tracking. Snap knows where it is and knows where you are. That makes it easy, well, easy for you. It took us a while for Snap to track you automatically in all sorts of interesting ways like air. Tripod stays in place in yours and pitches camera to keep you in frame. Virtual wire follows you along predefined wire to make sure to avoid obstacles. And freeform following. 4K video streaming. The optional base station lets you stream broadcast quality video to the ground for detailed inspections, worldwide distribution, and real-time analytics. Control the camera and pinch to zoom video as you fly with the second controller tablet. Micro gimbal. We developed a patented gimbal control technique, custom smooth and precise motors, and a rigid one-piece synced aluminum integrated stage link to make the toughest, tiniest gimbal you will ever meet. Field-oriented control motor controllers. We found that standard hobby motor controllers weren't fast enough to keep our lightweight quad rock steady in the wind, so we rolled our own, using a technique usually found in quads costing 10x more. We created motor controllers with blindingly fast response. It goes from 10,000 revolutions per minute to 0 faster than you can blink. Mag Connect. We borrowed a trick from F1 race cars and enabled Snap to break apart on impact. This distributes the kinetic energy of impact across more components, which lets us make everything both lighter and more durable. It also absorbs 75% of the energy on impact to make it radically safer. We know you don't have an F1-sized budget, so it also snaps back together in seconds using our patent-pending magnetic connectors. Protected rotors. We created a novel patent-pending structure to solve the impossible problem: how do you make something that weighs nothing, has no wind drag, doesn't break on impact, and protects the propellers from things and people from the propellers? We found inspiration in the bicycle wheel and found the solution after just 2 years and countless prototypes. YOLO. We developed a proprietary technique for maximizing yaw control, rotation about the vertical axis that keeps Snap pointing exactly where you want it. Sensors. Lots and lots of sensors. Our team includes DARPA Grand Challenge winners and sensor fusion pioneers, actually the same person, so we know a thing or two about integrating lots of complicated sensors for precision control and awareness. We've squeezed GPS, sonar, gyros, accelerometers, magnetometers, barometers, geo-aware image sensors, and fused all this data with lots of math, so Snap always knows exactly where it is and you stay in control.